Hello YouTube, I'm coming back here again with the Rubik's Cube. This time I'm going to be just doing the second layer, so like 2 layers. Right, let's get into it. Well, all of the sides should look like this. Anyway, first, right, so see, this is the left move. Like, you can either have this one and move it to the left or the right. This one's going to move to the left, so the algorithm is up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. I just woke up, sorry guys. This one we're going to move it to the right, so the algorithm is up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. Almost done. Oh, well, this one is, well, this one's already in here, but it needs to be flipped. So find one with a yellow thing, like find an edge with a yellow. Then go and just do the left move, up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up inverted, front inverted, up, leave, front, there we go. And then it moves that one out. I also again forgot to tell you, you need to match with this one that's on the bottom with its side. And then this one's the left move, so up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And that was a quick video, but now we have 2 layers around the white side. I'll see you guys later.